An exclusive session with you guys for photographers, for press bites. So please wait, please wait. Request Mr. Mukesh Mishra to give a bouquet to Mr. Ajay Devgan, please. Please. We have 38 hostesses. Nobody has given a mic. You all are fired.
Yeah, got one. Hello, everybody.
Say hi to Mr. Devgan. Sir, after that, traders होंगे.
I'll grab a best.
Okay, awesome. You obviously known as the most rocking. What do you enjoy most? Do you think action is as a tougher genre or is comedy a tougher genre for you?
As an actor, I wouldn't want to. I can't decide what is tougher. But yes, comedy is something which needs a lot more energy. Action also does, but comedy is something which is very difficult. It's very difficult to make people laugh at people with so many problems today. We all have our problems.
So let me break this question for you. What makes somebody laugh?
It's easier to fight with people.
It's easy to fight with
It's
people?
more difficult to make people laugh. So
Yes.
So who have that talent? People who have that talent. I think
We have an awesome lineup today for you to laugh. We have an awesome lineup today. I will ensure that you laugh.
we all love to laugh.
Yes. A quick time you were there when Harsh won. He still has that picture instead of his wife's picture at his home and his bedroom, which is a little strange at so many levels, but he still has it. Now, what do you think? Have you paid attention to the fact that it has evolved to an extent? Overall, comedy as an overall.
It has evolved, and this time, what is really nice is that they have picked up talent and talent from small centers, with rural areas. They've got a chance to, which is very difficult for people to reach this point. So that platform has been given by Hajmola, which is fabulous.
And it was like 3 states this time.
Yes.
Like UP, Bihar, and Maharashtra. They had about 10,000 auditions, 1,000 people who came to the final rounds. They went to the grand finale. We had 14 people. And we currently, before we just came in, we had 14 to have you have a lot of fun on the stage. I'm sure it is a very taxing job that you do to make us in this. I thank you very much for being the superstar that you are, for the humble being that you are. Owe him a round of applause, not that he deserves, but he just, it's not the deserving part, we owe it to him. I think you should just give a round of applause.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, can I request?
हिला मत हो गई आप करके रहे थे
जो मेरे दिमाग में लिस्ट थी विनर्स की आई थिंक ग्रेट द जजेस ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया कि उनकी और मेरी लिस्ट एकदम करेक्ट थी और मैच हुई।
अभी कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कहीं पर आपने कभी कोई ऑडिशन दिया हो खास करके कोई कॉमेडी के लिए मतलब कैन यू रिमेंबर एनी पर्टिकुलर?
नहीं, आई हैव नेवर डन दैट इन माय लाइफ। आई हैव बीन लकी, आई गेस। आई हैव नेवर डन दैट इन माय लाइफ।
अजय, यू हैव punched your ears. We can see that.
Oh yeah, this is for this is for Shivai. I asked everybody. They said it doesn't pain too much. So then I went ahead and did it.
I mean, everybody has a Salman.
No. As in, I have women at home. My sisters and all. They all wear earrings. I think that is the wrong news because परसों ही I'm leaving for Bulgaria and we're location scouting. जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद नहीं आई और मुझे सिर्फ विंटर में शूट करनी है and I was losing this winter, so I'm going next winter. But it's a big film, तो प्रेप अभी से शुरू हो चुका है। I don't know. I have not heard of the title. Let's stick to Hajmola, please.
Please ask only relevant questions about today.
आई थिंक सभी बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं और आजकल तो मेन एक्टर्स भी खुद कॉमेडी करने लग गए हैं। तो शुरू में जैसे कि महमूद साहब हुआ करते थे, ये वो आज सभी अच्छी कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं। ये जो नए लड़के हैं और ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट रन किया गया है, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ये छोटे छोटे सेंटर्स में रन किया गया है जहाँ पे लोगों को चांस नहीं मिलता अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का. तो आई थिंक दे picked up some very good talent from there and that's great.
Ajay, since we are talking about comedy, humor can be categorized into different things also. So do you think, something like censorship should be applicable to humor and comedy as well? Also to add on to that.
Nowadays, I think censorship is applicable to everything, and apart from some things which are on the net.
Right.
But mostly it is applicable and it is going a little too far also sometimes.
Right, but do you think that censorship should remain censorship and there shouldn't be any over censorship happening like the censor?
It should remain. That's what I just told you. That it should remain as censorship. It should not go over. We have freedom of speech. I mean, today you pick up the newspapers or you read articles or you see news on television. I mean, you see so much of truth, and you can't just run away from it. So that's what is there in the films also.
Okay, but should the censorship also extend to stuff that is available on the internet like AI videos?
I think it is very difficult, but I'm sure it should be. And I think more than that, I think people should censor themselves if they are responsible. That what they should do and what they should not do.
But what's your take on AI videos? How did you find
I haven't seen it, and I prefer not seeing it also.
You prefer not seeing it?
Whatever I've heard of it, I wouldn't want to see it because I don't enjoy that kind of humor.
You don't support that thing like historically.
I don't enjoy that kind of humor. I mean, everybody has a personal take to it.
And coming to Hajmola, the thing is कि actually actors लोग अपने diet के बहुत conscious वगैरह रहते हैं, खाने पीने का ख्याल बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं, तो कभी ज़रूरत पड़ती है हाजमोला लेने के लिए?
हाजमोला डाइट के लिए नहीं है, बट हाजमोला बाकी काफ़ी चीज़ों के लिए है. और माई डॉटर लव्स हाजमोला, मतलब वो बार बार उठा के खाती रहती है. तो इट्स वेरी टेस्टी. जैसे कि हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे, the combination of getting a smile on everybody's face with humor and hajmola, because when you have a hajmola, you also have a smile on your face. So that connects.
Ajay, what is your, what is it that takes you to probably just laugh your heart out, Is it, what kind of humor is it?
There cannot be a kind of humor. It is always a situation. And anything, something very simple also can make you really, really laugh if you're in that mood and in that atmosphere. So it just depends. It's just about timing and what is said at what time and what happens at what time.
कोई दिलचस्प किस्सा अगर आप बता सके, recent कोई या हाल ही के experience के जो आप दिल खोल के हंसे, something
नहीं, दिल खोल के मैं बहुत हंसा हूँ, but ऐसा कोई specific किस्सा नहीं है कि there was a reason why I've laughed so.
And also, who is most funny?
My daughter. My daughter.
इंडस्ट्री में किस एक्टर को हाजमोला
नहीं
पूछे.
प्लीज
इंडस्ट्री में किस एक्टर को आप हाजमोला खिलाना क्यों?
आई थिंक ये इस सवाल का जवाब मुझसे ज़्यादा ये देंगे, चाहेंगे कि सब खाएं.
आपके कोई दोस्तों को आप सिफारिश करना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक सभी को पता है. आई थिंक कोई नया ब्रांड है नहीं है और सब जानते हैं इसके बारे में, और सभी के, मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी ऐसा होगा हिंदुस्तान में जिसने ट्राई नहीं किया हो या
Just to add on, I can tell you one information. Every day, 2.2 crore of Hajmola tablets are eaten across India.
अजय, बात इंडस्ट्री की तो काजोल कमबैक करने जा रही हैं, तो
I think this is not the right time to speak about it.
काफी समय बाद उनका कमबैक होगा और आप लोगों के साथ में देखना ऑडियंस चाहती है, कहीं क्या
जब कोई अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट मिलेगा तो. I'm starting a film called Drishyam first, and then Badshah, and then in the winters I'm doing shooting for Shivani. It's not cast.
रेल बजट से चटपटा का कोई समय.
But I think ठीक है, but it's interesting. It's nice कि देखो टिकट के रेट्स नहीं बढ़ाए गए हैं, और जो अच्छी चीज़ है कि फैलने से ज़्यादा कंफर्ट पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया गया है, और जो चीज़ें हैं उसी को ही अपग्रेड करके और सैनिटी को दिमाग में रख के किया गया है. तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी नाइस.
Ajay, lastly, next week is the most Chatpata Indian festival, Holi. So what plans for Holi and shower?
As I just told you, I'm in Belgrade in Bulgaria, so for me, I'm not celebrating.
Okay, can you wish the viewers a happy Holi?
Yeah, happy Holi to everybody, and please play a safe Holi. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
जब किसी पति की पत्नी द्वारा पिटाई करी जाती है तो उसके शरीर में थोड़ी सी सूजन आ जाती है और उसके शरीर में आई हुई सूजन का भार पत्नी के मारे गए बेलन के भार के बराबर होती है। जितने पति हैं ताली नहीं बजा रहे, नौजवान ताली बजा रहे, इस बात में कि कुछ बोल नहीं रहा, मैं इनको नहीं पता कि पूरा शुद्ध लिखा है। आर्किमिडीज का दूसरा सिद्धांत, जब कोई लड़का किसी लड़की के हृदय में मानसिक रूप से जब आंशिक रूप से कोई कोण बनाता है तो पुलिस उसे सब कोण पे काट देती है।